Guys, what is this box thing here? What's this?
OMG! Is that what I think it is?
It's the LOL surprise. Amazing surprise! These are the instructions, guys.
Okay.
And let's get all this stuff off. And come on, I can't wait.
Okay, it looks like clouds.
Guys, what is this? Okay, we need to open up this first because it's this number 2 is right here. Flip the top, open it up, and let's get it.
So let's look.
Open it up. It's a and let's open up number 2. And number 2's is ooh, this little sister. Ooh, I hope. Ooh, that's mysterious. It's not done. We need to open up number 3. This thing is so big.
Okay.
Oh! Wow, there's such a big city underneath. 34 is right underneath. Blind bag.
Open it up.
Let's see. I'm just gonna take the box out.
A pair of cute little black and white pom-pom shoes.
And guys, it's number 5. And look at this. Number 6 is right underneath in the ground.
So we'll
But we
open
need-
number 6 after we open number 5.
But remember, we need to go in order. It got chocolatey and brown here and a white here. Maybe. I'm not sure. Okay. Where is number 7?
Above.
Duck pond.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, you just flip the top open.
Black, just like the shoes and the top.
Wait. So now those are 2 family portraits, and now we're gonna open up this jumbo one.
That's
Okay.
number 50, by the way.
So let's go to the back. Oh, get it out. Come on, get out. Okay, we're getting it. Oh, look, it's like a suitcase. Okay. She's like actually trapped. Can I have the keys? So we got 2 keys, but you're actually supposed to connect the keys. Let's open it.
So it says OMG and then it says LOL, and by that you can probably guess it's an OMG doll. So it's like really luxurious, and look at the pattern and designing. And there's like white lace over here. And it's very detailed.
Okay, so let's open it up. Oh,
OMG, click, it clicks.
Oh,
Did you see that?
yeah, I just saw it. Oh. Okay, so let's make her stand up. So you can actually see that there's like shops on this side, some stuff, and this is the OMG doll. I cannot wait. It actually looks like her real closet.
So on the inside of her closet, it looks like she has some coats, and here she has some coats and tops. Those are the bottom pieces, and it looks like those are the shoes. And then here she has some accessories. And then it looks like right here she can store some stuff there, and it's a very detailed closet and very organized too. And it looks
So this is the OMG doll, and look at her. She is so nice.
I love the curl in her hair.
Yeah, and look at her top and bottom. Okay, let me get this out. And what do we have? Ooh, look at this skirt. And she also got the top.
Okay.
Let's hang up her outfits. Okay, and we can actually hang up her outfits right here. That is so cute. And let's get her changed up. So let's put on her jacket. Oh, and look at these nails. They are so detailed.
And her makeup is very detailed too.
Yeah. And let's put her little earrings right there. And this belt bag maybe can go there. And yeah, she's getting changed over there. Wow. And
So I just finished putting on her jacket.
okay,
Her top looks so cute.
here's her skirt.
We're gonna put on her skirt and shoes.
So she actually comes with her own socks. It's cool. Okay. Weird. Put that back on. And then where does this thing go? I think it goes right there. At the bottom. Okay, there. No, but then how does the OMG... Oh. Oh, okay, got it. There. Done. Okay, there. So she's all changed up. Let's get her some of her accessories on, like these stuff that says, yeah, her little clips that say, yes, queen. Let's pull back her hair.
One
And,
says yes and one says queen.
and together they say, oh, yes. So we've got her clips on and her earrings on both sides and her shoes. Now let's put on her belt bag. Here, let's move her hand and put it on there. So now we can put on her glasses. Come on. Here, I think I'm putting it the opposite way. Come on, put it on. Okay, and we've got her glasses on. She's looking so pretty like that, and I just love her. Let's try. Did it open? She is just as pretty as her BFF. Rip it open because I cannot wait. Okay. We've got her outfit. We got this top. It's like a real zipper kind of. It'd be so cute if that actually zipped up. But it doesn't. And we've got these little pairs. And we've got this pair. Oh, and you can actually pull the thing out, I guess. That is just so cute. Okay, so you can also take this part off, it's Velcro. And this thing is for adjusting in the back. So yeah, let's get the OMG doll out. And let's get her ready. Oh, and just as the blue case, can you open up the blue case and show them? So look at her. Her hair is going like so crazy. And look at her lipstick. It is different colors and I think she was like going crazy. And this side it has some fishnets and this side doesn't. This side has some white. This one has black. This one has a strap. This one has a silver. She looks so pretty. And just look at her. She looks bad. Yeah. So I'm putting on her pants right now and and then next I'm gonna put on like her accessories and glasses and maybe even comb her hair. There, and she got a bracelet. I'm gonna put on this hand because this hand already got like on her hand. Earrings are so special. This one has a lock on them. That is just gorgeous. Okay, put the one with the lock on it. There, and there she is. Hey, I think this is her fully around with her new BFF. They're so nice. Okay, well, see you guys in our next video. and make sure to try and check.
There's a big variety of dolls, so I'll start naming them. This is Preppy. This is City Boy, City Slicker, Proper, Prim, Uptown Girl, Downtown BB. This is Uptown Meow, Little Downtown Dollface, Little Prim. This is Downtown this is Wolf Town. This is Downtown Hop. This one is Yuppie Puppy, and this is Downtown Dolph. If you would like, comment on how this turned out for you, and if it was the same or not.
And make sure to check this set out.
Yeah, make sure to check this set out.